Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll show you how you can edit any PDF in your MacBook without using any external app or any website. By editing, I mean you can fill PDF form, you can add signature, you can add a note, you can remove any section of the PDF, you can highlight any words, you can also do many more things. So let's get it started. I'll take just 2-3 minutes to cover everything. So watch till end of the video. So here I have a PDF file. If you open it, it will directly open in preview, but I'll show you what are the different options and how you can make sure that you are opening from preview. So here in open with, you have to go and select preview, which is the default app for MacBook to open PDFs. So now here I have a sample PDF, and now what we need to do is we need to go to top the blue circle and click on it. So if we click on it, it was already visible, so it got hidden, but when I click on it again, it will show. So now firstly I'll show you how you can edit any form. So let's say here I have to write name of dependent, so I can click and I can already fill that, and let's say I can remove and type anything, let's say Rahul or anything. So we can directly click on that portion of the form and edit it. That's how we can fill any form in MacBook without using any other app. Now for signature part, you can go here and you can, I have saved my signature, but you can click on create signature, and here you have two options, trackpad and camera. In trackpad you can just click to begin, and see I am able to write anything. So by this you will be able to save your signature and it will be saved for any future use in your MacBook. Also, if you click on camera, we have it says sign your name on white paper, then hold it so it's visible to the camera. So I can sign on a white paper, I can show it like this, and I can click done. Okay, so that's how we have covered signature and how to fill the form. Now what if there is a workaround? What if I want to remove this section, please enter your name? All I need to do is I can just click here on the shape, insert a rectangle. Here is it, and by default I'll show you the setting. So in this if you click on this rectangle and if you click here, it shows you how you want to fill the rectangle. If I click on this color, it get filled by this, but since our PDF has mostly background white, we can select white color and it will basically put a rectangle over any text and you can remove the text. Also we can select the width of we can select the color of the border, and we can also select the width of the border. So by removing any width of this rectangle, we can just do this workaround to remove any text. Now if you want to add any notes, if you are reading anything from PDF, you are reading any book or reading any class notes, you can add here the notes. This section is important. Okay, so before moving further, I would like you to tell that how you liked my video, and also please like and subscribe my channel, because in future I'll be uploading a lot of AI automation videos that you can take help and use it in your daily life if you have iPhone, MacBook or any other phones. Yeah, so moving ahead, we have other options, like if you want to write anything but not in the form of notes, you can click here and it will insert a text box, and then we can write anything on this text box. You can change the formatting and all from this section. You can select the font, the alignment, the color and the font size and all. And also if you want to write some free text, then you can select these two. Let's say I've selected this, and I can write anything. So yeah, it's little bit difficult, but you can write the text also. So I think we have covered all the important parts that we need when editing any PDF. So if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.